Yes, Northern Uganda as usual. I'm Gino, the champion. I want to take this opportunity to appreciate each and everyone who performed in Amuru district, Babo, yesterday. I want to thank Right Honorable Richard Toduong, Jero Temawine, and all people. As TikTokers, we are happy. We are promoting the ideology of NRM in TikTok. We are promoting the achievement of NRM. We are promoting each and every good thing that the party has done. I want to appreciate all the artists, the performing artists, those who perform and those who didn't. I want just to appreciate you people for lifting higher the name of Luo people. It was massive, though I did not went there. Uh, I want to thank everyone who endeavored at least to make the party and the program colorful. The only thing that was a challenge, what I've seen, very bad, was the system. The system you people hired was not all that good. That was a very big program that deserves a very good system, like the public address system should be good. I kindly request the people of Omoro, people of Gulu, people of Noe, the same thing. Let's make the public address system to be a good one so that we are not again being minimized one way or the other. As Gino the champion, we the TikTokers, we all rally behind the big man himself, His Excellency, the President of Uganda. We support you. We are going to continue supporting you. I'm not there because we are having candidates about to do exam. I'm a teacher by profession, so most of the time I'm in class even at night. So being there is not a problem. But when we are following online, we thank people who are online, the like of Fresh Boy Promotion. They are bringing us live streaming from where the party is conducting their rallies. People like Luo TV, Spraga Promotion, people like Into Deep, Jerry Promotion, Asila Dale. Thanks for bringing those to people who are not able to go there. I therefore request member that please, when the big man is coming to Gulu, let's all rally and go to Kaunda ground so that we witness what the president can tell us, what the president will tell us. Remember, we are protecting the gain of the NRM party, what they've done. So far, they've done a lot of things. The roads are good, communication network security is good, roads are good, though others are not all that good, but we are struggling. We are finding out a way of at least making it to be marvelous. I want to thank everyone. There's nothing to say. We catch up in good. Thank you.